Welcome to Rubik's Cube Part 2, Step B. In my previous video, we kept the white cross on top. This time we're going to put the white cross on the bottom, just like speed cubers do. Of course, our goal is to do the four corners, and we're going to do it with the cross on the bottom. What you do is you look for a corner. There's the orange, green, white. You turn it to the green, orange pocket. You simply put your finger on it, turn, spin, spin. And there you go, you get the green, orange where it belongs. Here we got one. We want to get rid of it, so we simply turn, get rid of it, and rebuild our cross. And we put it in the red blue corner pocket. Well, here's the blue red corner pocket. You simply put your finger on it, spin, spin. Now here's the green red, and it's in the red green pocket. Put your finger on it, spin, spin, spin. We now got the red green done. Now here's the orange blue. You turn it to the orange blue pocket. Okay, here's the orange blue pocket. Put your finger on it, spin, spin, spin. You now have the four corners done. That was step 2. Here's another one. We're going to put the white cross on the bottom. We're going to search. Here's the orange green. We have to put it on the edge like this. So we will temporarily work our cross. Put it down. We now turn the orange green corner to the orange green pocket. Put your finger on it. Spin, spin, spin. There's the orange blue. Return the orange blue to the orange blue pocket. Put your finger on it. Spin, spin, spin. There's the red green. Return the red green to the red green pocket. Put your finger on it. Spin, spin, spin. Now here's the red blue. Here's the red blue pocket. Put your finger on it. Spin, spin, spin. We now have the four corners done. And that is step 2 with the cross on the bottom. Okay, here we are again with another cube. We got the cross, which is step 1. Step 2 is getting the four corners. Can I show you how to do that again? As you can see, this corner doesn't belong here, so we're going to get rid of it. There you go. Okay, we're going to put the cross on the bottom. In the previous video, we had the cross on top. What you do is you find a piece, put it, this is the orange blue, and this is the orange blue pocket. You simply put your finger on it, spin, spin, spin. Here's one that's on the bottom. We have to get it on the edge, so we temporarily work our cross. We put it on the edge, rebuild the cross. Now this is green orange, so we turn to the green orange corner. Oh, there's the orange green corner pocket. You simply put your finger on it, spin, spin, spin. There's the orange green. You put it in the red green. You put it above the blank space. Okay, blank space. Red green, red green. We have to put it on the edge. Now we put it in the orange, green, red, green pocket. Put your finger on it. Spin, spin, spin. Okay, we got one left. Where is it? Right there. You simply put it under the blank spot. We want it on the edge. Okay, it is now on the edge. You put it in the red, blue, red pocket. Give it a spin, spin. And now you have step 2 of doing the Rubik's Cube done. Let's try with this cube. We want to do the 4 corners, which is step 2. And we're going to put the white cross on the bottom. This piece obviously doesn't belong there, so we'll put it on the top. See? We find the red, green corner. Red, green. And the red, green corner pocket. Put your finger on it. Spin, spin, spin. There's the red, blue. Go to the red, blue corner pocket. Red, blue. Red, blue. Put your finger on it. Spin, spin, spin. There's the orange, green. It's already in the orange, green. Green, orange pocket. Green, orange. Put your finger on it. Spin, spin, spin. Oh, we still have one piece out. You put your white under the empty pocket. Put your finger on it. Spin, spin, spin. We are now finished step 2 of doing the Rubik's Cube. Step 1 is across. Thank you for watching.